Welcome to the Crazy Head Chemist. So here we go. We got another video here today on atomic structure. We're going to be starting off with some math problems. Bam! The average atomic mass calculations. We're going to be talking about just the math here today and what equations you're going to be using to calculate the average atomic mass or anything surrounding the average atomic mass. This right here is the equation that we're going to use. So that X with the bar over it, that's the average atomic mass. That's the number that's on the periodic table. We discussed that in a previous video with the isotopes of carbon, and that is 12.0107. That is the average atomic mass of carbon that's on the periodic table. That's equal to the percentage in decimal form of the first isotope times its mass in atomic mass units, plus the percentage of the second isotope times its mass in atomic mass units, plus etc., etc. So, depending on how many different isotopes you have, then you use this equation 3 times or however many times is necessary to add up those percentages. That X bar is the weighted average of the naturally occurring isotopes. It never occurs in equal proportions. Therefore, there's never a 50-50 mixture of 2 isotopes or 33 1/3% of 3 isotopes. Okay? This number, if you don't actually have it, or if it's not given in the problem and you're not asked to solve for it, then you're going to find it on the periodic table. Okay? So, the percentages must sum up to 100% exactly. So we're going to make the assumption that all the isotopes are there. Okay, therefore, we're going to assume that this number, 100%, is an infinite number of significant figures for our calculations. That will play a key role here in a little bit. When solving for the percentages, if you don't know either of the percentage, then we're going to use a little bit of math to figure out what those variables are. So, X plus Y is equal to 1. One of the isotopes is X. The other isotope is Y in terms of percentage. Now, if we add up X plus Y, that would equal 100%, but that 100% is actually just 1. Okay, like 100% of a pie is 1 pie. So what we're going to do is rearrange this and solve for Y by subtracting X on both sides, and therefore we get Y is equal to 1 minus X. So that's key. Therefore, when solving for the percentages and you don't know either percentage, one of the percentages is going to be X, the other percentage is going to be Y. But what does Y equal? Y equals 1 minus X. So that's why this right here. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Okay? Again, I want to thank many of my students who get me hats. I try to make no offense with the hats that I wear, including this one. I love this hat, and my student gave me this. This is super cool. So I hope you like it as well. Again, no offense, but it's a super cool hat. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.